Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, power the dryer off and unplug it, then pull the unit out 1 to 2 feet so you can access the vent. Once done, don your gloves, eye protection, and dust mask because lint is abrasive and airborne. Make sure to attach the matching brush head to the first rod and tighten the 1/2 coupling. This prevents thread slippage down the line. You're feeding the brush into the duct at a slight angle. Keep a steady hand and listen for resistance as you begin. You continue by adding rods one at a time and rotating clockwise to advance in roughly 3 to 4 foot segments. Steady rotation prevents kinking. Once you hit resistance, retract slightly and push with short bursts, then reverse a few turns to break compacted lint free. Make sure to periodically pull the brush out and wipe the collected lint into a trash bag so you can tell progress. When the brush returns mostly clean after several passes, you've cleared the mid-run blockages and are ready to reach the exterior vent. You finish by removing the last brush, cleaning any remaining lint from the duct ends, and reinstalling the vent hose and clamp. Then push the dryer back and reconnect power. Once done, run an air-only or fluff cycle for 5 to 10 minutes and measure airflow at the exterior hood with your hand or a simple anemometer. Strong airflow means success. If the flow is still weak, repeat the cleaning, check for crushed sections or kinks in the duct, and if problems persist, call a professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.